Hi, and welcome to Forensic Science 2 at Deer Valley Online Learning. My name is Miss Rushforth, and I will be your teacher this semester. I have been teaching forensic science for over 10 years now. I absolutely love it. It's one of my passions. As you can see, my decorations in my classroom on both sides have to deal with forensics all the time. What we're wanting. So what I want in a student, I want a student that wants to learn about forensics, that has an inquisitive mind, that likes to solve puzzles, and overall students that are awesome just like you. The topics that we're going to cover this semester are poisons, so pills and different poisons, alcohol and DUIs, soils and glasses. So specifically with glass, it's broken glass and how they shatter, and how you can tell the different parts. Blood and blood spatter. Blood spatter is where we're going to have the majority of our labs. You're going to have a big test on that during this semester. DNA should be a refresher from freshman year of biology, and also a deeper dive into DNA and how it works and how we can profile a person. Forensic entomology, so bugs. Even if you don't like bugs, it's okay. The bugs like us. So this is an overall view of all of the bugs that will go to a body after the person has died. And we'll get more into it. The processes of death itself, so going through the stages of algor mortis, livor mortis, and rigor mortis, and how the body starts to decompose. Human remains, so looking after decomposition, looking at the skeleton itself, kind of like that guy right there. Firearms, so guns themselves, and then also the bullets, and how we can match the bullets back to those guns, and how we can identify different guns and firearms. And then tool marks and impressions, so looking at different tool marks that are used either in crimes or left behind at a crime, and also impressions, so it can be footprints, tire prints, teeth marks, you name it. So, first and foremost, welcome aboard. Thank you for having me as your teacher, and I am so excited for you to be here. Thank you.